This is project 6, video number 3, the one in which we do the documentation and finishing touches. Let's see, we need a function description in there. I'm going to go like put comment brackets on there. So say what function does, be complete, make it self-standing. Your description be able to stand alone, so a person shouldn't have to read the handout, for instance. Say who it's from, who wrote it, who the input variables, we got I, say exactly what I is, we got R, say exactly what R is, little r, say exactly what little r is, I is the current in the wire, R is the radius of the wire, the big R is the radius of the wire, little r is how far out from the center of the wire you are, is the point at which you're trying to find the magnetic field, output variable, there's only one, so I'll call it's B. Say what it is, and as far as code, I think it's self-explanatory. I don't think we need any extra description there. Attribution. Tell me a story about how this came into being. In other words, if you did it all on your own, say you did it all on your own. If you use the videos, say how you use the videos. Like I get started on the pencil and paper, I use video 1 to check, make sure I had it right. I coded it all up, use video 2 to check and see how it was, and video 3, I didn't use it all because I used the checklist on the handout, and that's just as easy to use. Exactly. Tell a story. Tell a story. Alright. I want to make sure it still works. Seems to still be running. It's not giving me anything except for the output. In fact, if I put a semicolon after that, it gives me nothing, so that's perfect. It's not supposed to print anything to the screen, so in that sense it's working, and as long as the results are right, it's good. So now I was doing that from memory, but I'm going to go ahead and use the checklist just to make sure. Pencil and paper part, algebraic solution, and an outline of the steps. There was only one function, and I did provide the outline of the steps. So algebraic solution. Oh, this is the outline of the steps. It actually looks like the code itself. And then there's the so-called algebraic solution. If I was a little calculus too. Alright. Program. I made a reasonable attempt. I'm sure I got that point. Works properly. It seems to be working properly. Gives the same answers that my calculator gives. Look at that. This is an old one. You don't actually need that stuff printed to the screen. So it works properly. Nothing printed to the screen that's not supposed to be printed to the screen. Got my name in it. Comment saying what the function does. Well, I made space for it. I didn't actually say what it does. You have to, though. Input variables, output variables. I didn't feel I had any segments that were not self-explanatory. No graphs. Must provide attribution. I did that. Okay, I think I got it. So I'm going to call that. No, let's take one more look at it. Want to make sure that I save it. Make sure that it still runs. And yeah, let's call that a wrap for Project 6, video number 3.